Tesla is sweating right now, and it's not because of the summer heat. The $7,500 federal EV tax credit is being rolled back under Trump's new policy changes, sending shockwaves through the EV market. While EV sales slow down and investments become cautious, one automaker is going full throttle. Ford is dropping a $5 billion bet on a new EV plant that's aiming to launch $30,000 electric truck. Today, we are unpackaging exactly how this audacious move might just change the entire EV game forever. We are not talking about a concept car. Ford is targeting real buyers, landscapers, delivery fleets, and families who need a work-ready truck that doesn't cost luxury prices. It's a strategic pivot from the legacy pickup to mass market accessibility. And this is where things get interesting, because Ford's 30K EV truck isn't just another product launch, it's a market grab mission. They are aiming to dominate this segment before competitors even have a chance to catch up. And to really understand why Ford might actually pull this off, here are 3 big reasons why this move could change the entire EV market. The first reason is surprisingly low price. Thanks to smart engineering, at around 30K, Ford truck is cheaper than many gas-powered trucks. But how? They redesigned the vehicle from scratch, cutting parts by 20%, streamlining the assembly with triple sub-assembly systems that speed up production 15 to 40%, and using LFP batteries that cost 35% less than the traditional ones. On the top of that, the battery is a part of the chassis, saving both weight and money. It's clever, lean engineering, Silicon Valley style, but from a trusted auto giant. Now let's move to the second reason. The second reason is Ford industrial power. Ford isn't a small startup project. Ford is updating its plant for this truck, building a $3 billion battery plant in Michigan and expanding the massive Blue Oval City complex in Tennessee. And with all this, Ford will be able to make 500,000 electric trucks in a year. That scale means they can produce fast, keep costs low, and dominate the market. Last but not least, let's move to the third and final reason. It's brand trust and profitable margins. Ford isn't just selling a truck, they are selling reliability. The F-Series has led US sales for over 40 years, and customers trust the dealer network for durability and service. Analysts expect Ford EV units to hit 8% EBIT margins by 2026, and this 30K truck could be profitable within a year. Software features like Blue Cruise and scale efficiencies could expand the margins even faster. Ford isn't the only automaker making headlines. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk just grabbed the spotlight with his $29 billion compensation package. To see the full breakdown, click the video in the end screen. And if you love staying ahead on tech and business news, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you never miss an update.